Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, due to the increased funding of the 15 subscribers, I'm now able to afford a nicer stand for my camera, which is why it looks a little bit different. It's still got the old camera, but we got more funding now. Oh yeah, pillow mode. Don't mind my dog. She's crying outside my room because she wants to come in. But I'm busy recording right now. Alright, so, you might be wondering, Luke, what are we doing today? And, well, we're doing something I've been wanting to do for a very long time. Rating Nerf guns. What? Yep. We're rating all these bad boys, from the big guns to the smaller guns. Yeah. I'll be giving them a scale from 1 to 10. And most likely shooting myself with them to test the pain. Alright, here we go. So, first, we have Dollar Tree Blaster. Still works. You have to manually switch this while shooting. Let's test the pain. 10 out of 10. Solid blaster. I would definitely fix the rotating mechanism though. Then we have Minecraft crossbow. 3 darts. Shoots one at a time. Pull back right here. No safety. Let's try it. Oh, that one. That's pretty solid. I give that like an 8 out of 10. This one loaded. Sadly, I don't think I have any rival balls. So, well, there might be one in there. Hold on, folks. Oh, yeah, we got one. Here we have the NERF rival. XX800. That's 2 X's. I think we're good. Let's test the pain. That one wasn't as bad. From range, it'll probably be worse. So, I'll give it like a 5 out of 10. We have this one. Oh wait, I need a magazine for it. Oh. Here's one. We got a magazine here. This one has ammo in it. Cool. We have this one, right? So when this one works, in order to shoot, you have to pull this back right here. So that you know you're about to get murdered. Alright? Very serious. Only use this in serious Nerf play. Loaded magazine. Alright. Let's test the pain. That's it. Not bad. I give that like a 3 out of 10. Not because of the pain, but because of the design. What if someone grabs your arm? What are you going to do when you're trying to pull it back? You can't shoot, so now you're stuck. 3 out of 10, not very good for self-defense. Then, we have one of my personal favorites. Still work. Kinda. Good magazine. Oh, this one has a shot in it. Perfect. I can't be certain that this one still works or not. I might have to replace the batteries in it someday. Probably today, maybe tomorrow, or next time I figure this out. We have this one right here. Pretty solid blaster. You hold it like this, mostly hip fire. You can hold it like this if you're strong enough, but you got to be a real man to do it. The way you switch magazines is by flicking this thing, like so. It can hold up to 8 mags. or the 4 of the drum mag, so it can hold up to like 100 rounds if you do that. Most likely 4 50 rounds, so you can hold 200 at that. Yeah, pretty solid. Let's see if this works first before I shoot myself with it. It does. Let's baby out. So the way this one works is that there's this little pushy thing right there that you can see. If I can get my finger in there. Right here. When you press the power button, it's able to push all the way through, and then the spinners are up at the front. So, all right, let's see what you got, old gal. Not bad for an old blaster. Pretty good. Honestly, because of the lore, that is the OG. So 10 out of 10. Definitely need some new batteries though, which I think I have some in here. Oh yeah. Alright, this one does not work. I do need to replace this. The batteries, that is. This thing. Your standard NERF assault rifle has an extending stock on it, so you can really get into your NERF fight when you're under heavy fire. It has a sight you can adjust. Very good, and you can put attachments on the front of this one. That is the first one you can do it with. Sadly, we cannot do a hurt test because it's currently out of commission. I have to replace the batteries on it. So for now, this one will be given a 4 out of 10 or 5 out of 10, just to be on the safe side. Okay, now we got this one. Big one. This one is gonna take a while. So first, you have 4 6-round drums, or whatever you call them, that you can simply rotate like so. You do this to prime it and then pull the trigger. Let's do a hurt test, shall we? And surprisingly, they spin too. Hold on. I have to cycle through this real quick. There we go. Let's try this out. Oh my god! I don't know if I wasn't expecting it or if that just hurt. Let's try that again. Jeez, Martha. Oops. Oh, we got this over here. There we go. Let's try this again. That's some pretty high damage. No, that just hurts. Yeah, 10 out of 10. That one is just all around a win. You got lots of ammo compartments. It shoots well, feels good. Yeah, 10 out of 10. All right. I'll start this one. We have the Raptor. This is a single fire sniper rifle. This is for long range targets. It is not very good at it though because there is no barrel. It's just some weird thingamajig. Do this. Prime it and fire. So instead of putting a whole magazine in this thing, I'm simply just going to reach down and put a bullet inside of it. Alright. Ugh, my head hurts. That's not that bad. It's definitely withstandable, especially from long range. If it's windy too, it's definitely withstandable. I give that a 6 out of 10. Oh no, I just realized I'm missing one, and I want to see if I can go find it real quick. It's a very okay, so maybe not. It has simply been lost to the sands of time. So, bummer. Oh, look at that one. Alright. Pretty cool pistol. Pretty simple, straightforward, very reliable. Not this one because it's old, but if you were to get a brand new one, very reliable. Shoots one shot, very easy to load. So we put that in there, push this back up, you're ready to shoot. Yeah. Sets this thing up. And usually there's a little back piece that comes with it that you can use as a stock for some reason, or you can wrap it around up to here, and it's for extra ammo space, so you can just pop one out and put it in. All right, let's see how much this thing hurts. Oh god. My hands smell like basil. That's not too bad. It's definitely good for chasing somebody down with. I give that a solid 9 out of 10. It's reliable, but because of this very small ammo space, you can't give it a 10 out of 10. Alright. Last two. Or, no, 3. This thing. Not looking forward to this. Okay, so this thing it's a rifle blaster. XX1 500. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots for ammo. I think they either hold 4 or 3 each. I don't remember. It's been a while since I've actually had enough ammo to do that. It is a single shot. It's not a shotgun, thankfully. Let's see if there's ammo in this. There's not. You can rather choke it normally to rotate the drum, or you can take a single bullet, just load it into there like so, and then you're ready to shoot. But I won't be doing that. I will be using the rotating pattern to demonstrate. So simply all you do is push this up, take your bullet, put it into there. I'm sure you see it. You can cock this back. Wait, what's going on? I think I broke it. And then the bullet gets put into the firing area. Push it up. Ready to shoot. This one does have a safety. But we're not here for that. I am the reason these guns have safeties. Alright. Let's go. Yeah. 10 out of 10. I can't say anything's wrong with it. Hurts. Good ammo. Carrying. Very easy to use. It's a little heavy, but that's alright. It balances out with power. So, it's definitely a win-lose situation, but you definitely get your money's worth. Oh, here's the next one. Okay. Don't worry, I saved best for last. And this isn't the last one. Alright. Here we have the MXV 1200. Very cool. Fun fact, I actually got this at an arcade because the claw machine wasn't working. It was one of those weird ones, right, where you would win the tickets but wouldn't actually give you the tickets. It would just put them on your card. And the machine was broken, so that every time I scanned it, I would get 2,000 tickets every time, even if I didn't grab anything. And I probably did that for about an hour. And I had the choice between... No, I actually got this and something else. I got this thing and a JBL speaker for like $50. So... that's pretty cool. And the second I left the machine, the employees came over to check it out. So, pretty cool. This is not the sound you want to hear when looking down the barrel of a NERF gun. I can feel the air it's pushing towards my forehead. Yeah. That was sad. Five out of 10. Alright. Best for last. Hope you're all ready for this. This is the classic. Nothing can go wrong with it. Classic NERF hammer shot. Let's take a look at this beauty, shall we? Aw, yeah. A classic. Gift from my grandma personally. As you can see, I have done light modifications. I have given it a barrel for improved accuracy. It is still not very accurate. Definitely shoots farther though now. A laser sight. Well, not sight, just a laser. And a flashlight. Let me demonstrate. And then a laser. Sure, I can just make it. Yeah, there it is. See? Laser. So cool, right? Pretty dope. Let's test out the damage on this thing. Simply, all you have to do to prime this one, simply pull this back. And then pull the trigger. Pretty easy. Alright, 6. Looks good. Yeah, just a little close up. Some pretty hot, fine craftsmanship, as you can see. Pretty good. Let's go. Oh! God! Oh! I knew that was gonna hurt. Oh! My blessed forehead! Oh! My God! We gotta do that again. That was horrible. In terms of power, this thing has it. Do not give the children. They will shoot their eyes out. Trust me, I know. No, I really don't want to do this. Shoot, let's put the flashlight on there while we're at it. Oh wait, I need to see where I'm shooting this thing. I don't want to do it. Oh wait, I missed. Ten out of 10. Definitely a good weapon. Very strong. Do not recommend to children. I'd rather just get them an actual gun. So, that is my Nerf gun review. I hope you all enjoyed it. More than I did. Out of all these guns, we only have a handful that were worthy of the 10 out of 10. It is truly an honor to be one of them. I think in all, we have 3 that were bestowed the honor of being a 10 out of 10. But yeah. So now I'll show you all my Nerf bullets real quick. This is a bag full of Nerf bullets. There are more in the box. More packages in my room. There's a lot. I ordered, I think, 1,000 for like $30. And now I have endless supply of these bloody packets of Nerf bullets. They don't stop coming. I find them all over my house. Not just single Nerf bullets. The packages of Nerf bullets. There is no end to these things. They never stop. They never will. I do not know why I ordered so many, or what I was thinking when I did. I'm in desperate need of help, and I'm flooding in plastic. They don't stop. They never do. That's right. There's still more. I can barely see the camera now. Y'all can see me just fine. But, oh yeah. There's a lot of bullets. There's more in the box. There's more in here. I'm sure there's one. Is there some in here? Yep. Here's one. My drawer. Put that over there. Let's go see how many are in the closet. This one has 4 bullets in it. We have 10, 20, 30. Luckily, I think that's it in here. Check my drawers for safety. And then there's more around my house. And it's hidden in my family's rooms so that they can shoot me when they need to. There's a lot. So yeah, that's my Nerf gun collection. I hope you enjoyed. And yeah.